Hi guys, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing well, and today I decided to make this video to show you guys how to crochet this hair. I did this tutorial like 2 weeks ago to show how to make this box braid with curly ends, and a lot of people they have been requesting me to do DIY on how to install this hair. And guys, finally we are here. Let me apologize because it took me so long time to finally be able to record and upload this video. I do apologize for this, but yeah, finally we are here. If you didn't watch my previous video on how to make this DIY, let me take you through a quick and short on how to make this video. First of all, you have to check your braiding hair. If you are using expression hair, you have to make sure you cut your hair into 3 and stretch before you start to braid. Attach a piece of hair on the wool or any other place that you feel comfortable to work with, and then twist like 3 times maximum, and then go ahead and divide your hair into 3, then start braid all over till end. Keep some space in the end, and then make sure you secure your hair well. Here I will secure and I'll put the knots in the end. To avoid this hair to unravel, I make sure I secure at least 3 times. So after that, I'll go ahead and make curly to this hair, and this is how the hair looks like. And if you haven't watched that video on how to make this hair and you wish to watch, I'll put the link in the end of this video on how I did this video. Hopefully you'll watch if you're interested. And final guys, I decided to show you how to crochet this hair. And here we are with our DIY box braid with curly ends. And before I go far, if you want to make this hair and you want to get like full head, you have to make sure you make 50 to 60 pieces of this box braid to get full and neat head. Because like here I make only 34, and when I crochet here I find they are really fewer compared with the way I was thinking like they are enough. But to make things clear, make sure it's one pack you cut into 3, and make sure you get at least 50 to 60 box braid so that you can get full head and your braid will be well. So first of all, I go ahead and I divide in that section I want to work with, and then I divide this hair into 3 as you can see guys. And then I take my hair with crochet needle, of course this is very necessary, and then I will crochet this hair only in one piece, only one side of this hair, and then I will braid all over. What I do here, the first section to braid is the middle section, so that to avoid the hair to fall down and to make sure this hair is well secured, just like this way. And after that, you may decide either to pull the second step from either right side or left side, depending on how easy for you to braid. And then keep going the way we just do box braid or any other kind of braid. Just braid not far, just make sure you go like 15-20 steps, because end of the day in back I'll be doing cornrows, so you don't need to braid like very long. Again, next to another section, I divide this section like you can see. You may either decide to go with more smaller section or bigger depending on your preference. And then after that, of course, I divide again into 3. One side, which is front side, I crochet this hair. Why I decide to crochet in front section, because I want, when I hold this hair, because end of the day I will hold this hair in the middle or like ponytail, so in front where I will not show like the hair start very back. Hopefully this makes sense. Okay, so finally I'm done with these front parts, and after this, guys, you can see how front looks like. So here I'm going to make other sections all over the head, and this second section I will hold them together with the first one, and I will make 3 strands just like this way. The second section I make only 2 strands, and the third strand be the front section. So of course after I braid like 2 times 3 times, because that front section is bigger compared with the second section, so of course I have to divide, or I have to borrow some hair from right and left to make 3 even strands, just like this way. And then after this, the second one, I will start hold this hair aside. So here I will do like this kind of braid. I like to call them base. So I create this base or foundation, whatever. So just like this way, and then don't hold together with back one, just this. After you make this, then hold them aside and make sure they are like this way. Can you see? So after crochet here, the hair will look more natural compared with when you join all the hair together. So the next step, I'll go ahead and make lines. You may make lines all over, join the front sections with back sections. You may decide to do the cornrow or do flat twist, do anything that you feel it's easy for you to make, because here the important thing is to make a line. It doesn't matter if it's cornrow or flat twist, or even if you use thread and needle to make your lines. And when I make this line here, I make sure I join all sides sections. Can you see how I go, guys? All sections from side, I make sure I hold them together, and this is how the lines looks like. So because I find out I don't have enough braids, I will end up here and I start crochet. And this is how to crochet, guys. It's so easy to crochet this hair. Make sure you just follow the sections you made so that you can get clean and neat hairstyle. And if you are worried, like when you crochet end of these braids, like they will lose their curly, honey, don't worry. Even if you pull this hair in the end, the curl will still be there and will still be neat and clean. Can you see? I hold the hair in the end, and just like this way, I make sure I hold the hair well, then I keep crochet. So here you may decide to crochet as close as you want, depending on how fully you want this hairstyle to be. But for me, I'll crochet only this side, guys, because the reason to make this video, I just want to show you how to crochet this hair. Hopefully you can get idea like how to do. And as you can see, guys, I crochet only the first line and front, and this is how this hair looks like. Let me go ahead and secure this hair. All of them. After you secure, just take bobby pin and secure them, and this is how the hair looks like. Can you see? And I only crocheted less than half, guys, less than half way. And can you see how this hair looks like? In the middle here, you can do normal cornrows and then go ahead and crochet your hair. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video, guys, and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up. Comments, let me know what do you think, and don't forget, guys, to share this video with your loved one. I love you so much, and hopefully I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.